What's going on YouTube? Today we're checking out a super awesome lock from Lockly. This is perfect for your home, your office, your rental, if you do Airbnb, or maybe you're just like me and you want a super fancy lock for your apartment door. Lockly has this covered. There's so many different variations. If you have a deadbolt or if you just want one with a latch like what I have here, they have a lot of different colors as well. So really whatever matches your lifestyle, your front door, your apartment door, your whatever kind of door you're putting this on, Lockly has you covered. This is one awesome lock because you have multiple ways that you can enter. You have a keypad right on the front. You also have biometrics, so you can unlock with your finger. There is also a fail-safe key if you want to use a traditional key. You can also use your smartphone. You can also set it up so that it has a DND. If you don't want anyone entering in your apartment, you can set up a do not disturb, so this way no one will be able to enter your apartment. There's a lot of different ways that you can set this up. Again, if you have an Airbnb, this is awesome, but if you're like me and you just have an apartment or you have a house that you want to really spruce up, you want to tech up your front entranceway, Lockly has us covered. So if you want to check this out, check my link down below where I can leave a link to purchase it. Prices always change, so check that link as well. But this is a super awesome, super secure lock from Lockly. Let's go ahead, unbox it, install it, check it out together, and see how it works out. There's a few more specs that I want to talk about before we unlock the box. It does work with your Google Assistant. There is an auto lock function, so after a certain amount of time, this is going to automatically lock your front door. So no more guessing, no more running back to your apartment, to your house. Just check if you even locked the door or not. You can also get alerts, so it'll let you know if your door has been opened or not. Again, perfect for that Airbnb situation. But what I like about this is, guys, you have a bunch of different ways that you can set up this lock and give people passwords. Using your app, if you wanted to set up an unlock time or you wanted to set an auto lock time, you can go ahead and do that. And again, for the Airbnb setting, that's perfect, ensuring that your guests leave when they're supposed to leave. You can also set the do not disturb, so if you want to ensure that your door stays locked when you're inside, you can do that as well. But there's a lot of ways that you can unlock your door, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to install this and check it out. So let's just see inside what we get here. Here's your welcome guide. Welcome to Lockly. And you can download the apps for Google and for iOS. We're going to get into this in just a second. Here's your installation guide. We're going to take a look at that in just a second. Here's your manual as well. And so far I'm impressed with all of the documentation, all of the high qualityness. This is everything that you get in the box. Obviously, it's a full latch system, it's a full door, and the number one thing I noticed is just how sturdy, just how heavy the actual lock is itself. So this is definitely a high quality lock. And again, you'll always have a physical key that you can go in and unlock your door. You always have that backup, and that's super important when trying to get into your office or your home. But the quality is definitely on point. I'm super impressed so far, and they give you everything that you need. I also have the Wi-Fi dongle that's going to kind of keep a log of when the door is open or not. This is an extra added accessory. Again, for Airbnb, I can see this being super useful. So let me go ahead and install this, then we're going to check out the app together. If you know how to take apart a door handle, you should be just fine. But it is super easy. Just get a screwdriver, and that's probably all you're going to need, guys. So let me install it, then we're going to set it up together and check it out, give you my final thoughts. And I also have a giveaway, so if you guys want to win one for your down. A huge benefit to the Keypad Genie is that it randomly changes up the numbers, so anyone looking over your shoulder is not going to be able to see what your access code is. Again, a huge security benefit, especially if you do live in an apartment. So I think Lockly has all of the bases covered when it comes to securing your entranceway, when it comes to securing your home. But let me know what you think about the Lockly lock down in the comments below. I've been super impressed. I've been super happy. The installation was a breeze. The app is very simple to use. And you get a whole bunch of different ways that you can enter your door or give access to your door. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to enter that giveaway and use code JABBER20. Save yourself some coin if you buy this on your own. I appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.